Hi, good evening. This is my homework 5, the second video. And the question is your ideal job. In which company would you like to work? What salary would you like to have? Um, I would like to work in the child clinic, working as a health administration, helping people through my work, managing resources for the promotion and the prevention of disease, with a salary of 5 million pesos, with a Monday, Tuesday to Friday, make talks about healthy habits. In my job, I would like to have the opportunities to travel to other countries. Thanks.